everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited today. I'm gonna be sharing something with you that can change your life. It's changed my life over the course of 30 days. I'm gonna tell you how it will change your life, tips and tricks to complete the game, and also show you all 500 plus items that I got rid of in 30 days. I'm Danielle, and this is our channel, Conquering Us. Please subscribe if you're enjoying this channel. I would love to keep seeing you here. So, for those of you who don't know, the Minimalism Game is a challenge that you can do with yourself, with a family member, or you can even go on social media and join another group of other people completing the challenge. Each day you get rid of the number of things on that day. So on day 1 you would get rid of 1 thing, day 10 you get rid of 10 things, day 20 things, and day 30 you're getting rid of 30 things. And by the end of the month it's about 500 items. The way that I would do it was I would just go about my normal day, and as I was going in a drawer to make dinner, I would just grab a couple items out of that drawer that I knew that I didn't want, or look for items that I didn't think that I needed or weren't using. And I put those items in a pile, or if I was wearing a shirt that day, I didn't like the shirt for some reason, it was just like not flattering, I would throw it in the pile. And so for me, it was kind of an effortless way to go about it. And I actually was way ahead of the game day by day. So like by day 3, I think I was already on day 15 because I had a pile so big. So I was just so ready to purge these things. So I would say if you are very motivated and that's how you're going and you're getting all these items, just put them in the pile. Don't let the game stop you. Keep going. It's gonna help you pick up momentum. It will get harder as the month goes on, but you're also going to flex that minimalism, getting rid of, letting go muscle, and it will get easier in some ways as well as you start to see things in your home differently. I actually got rid of over 500 items, and I'm actually continuing to get rid of items still after the challenge is over because of the momentum that picked up from doing this challenge. Some items we sold. We actually sold several big items. With the money that we were able to make selling some of our bigger items, we were able to upgrade a couple things in our home that we wanted to upgrade. So one way that this will change your life is that it's actually going to change the lives of those around you. They are going to see the example that you're setting by getting rid of things, and they're going to want to know more about this thing called minimalism. My sisters-in-law, 2 of them, are now interested in minimalism. One of them says she wants to be a minimalist from hearing about this challenge and hearing about my testimony about how it's changed my life. And that in turn will change your life by seeing those around you motivated by your own actions. And I'm sure some of you have people in your lives that you wish were more minimalist. I'm working on my mom, for example, who's a bit of a hoarder. I'm hoping that through seeing the change in me, she will also want to change. My husband is actually naturally a bit of a minimalist, but through this process, he was slowly motivated to get rid of things that he did not want to get rid of in the past. We have a bed frame we got for free from someone. It's very big and bulky and huge, and it's not our style, and he did not want to get rid of it because he did not like the look of a bed on the ground. And throughout this challenge, he slowly wanted to participate with me, and he'd give me things to put in the pile. And then eventually he said, I'm gonna make you really happy right now, babe. I'm getting rid of the bed frame. We have more space in our bedroom for his office area, for him to do school. And that all happened because of him watching the example of me being motivated. Earlier this morning, he laid down the bed. He said, man, this room makes me want to take a nap. It's so peaceful in here. And that's what your bedroom should be. Another way this challenge will change things in your life is that it will give you the confidence to change other areas of your life besides minimalism. By day 20, seeing myself let go of these things that for some reason I was holding on to. I don't know why. I just had like, you have those items, you know, you just like kind of want to get rid of them, but you're like, no, I don't want to because of the memory or just because, you know, I spent money on this or whatever. But when you're able to let that go, it's such a freeing feeling and a confident feeling that you gain that you will be able to do that in other areas. I was able to quit my sugar addiction. It may sound funny, but it's a serious problem. Sugar causes so many health problems. I would have sugar on a daily basis, and especially, don't judge me, I was a Starbucks addict. Sugary drinks, iced mocha, extra whipped cream on top. If you're a coffee snob and you go to like those fancy hipster joints and you think that whipped cream is not true coffee, good for you. I have a lot of friends like that, but I'm sorry to offend you, but I have a Starbucks problem ever since I worked there in 2007. And through this challenge, something just clicked in me. Overcoming some of these items in my home and really working towards this minimalism has given me the confidence to quit that sugar. I'm so proud of myself. I feel so confident, and I'm gonna keep on going. This will change other areas in your life, I promise. Another way that this minimalism game will change your life is that Competition will change you. By doing a competition, you are going to be able to accomplish areas in your home further than you would have ever before. If you've been trying to get rid of more stuff and declutter, sometimes it's hard to motivate yourself without some accountability. And by having a competition with yourself or with others, you have that accountability that you need, and it will get you going. For me, on day 15, I had a couple items short, and I actually went around my home looking for, what can I let go? I wanna beat this. I gotta get my 15 items. And I actually got rid of a couple items that I hadn't really thought about getting rid of before because I wanted to make my goal. So this is a way for you to kind of push yourself beyond what you thought you could do. I've tried lots of different techniques with minimalism. I've been trying to become more minimalist since probably 3 or 4 years, and I just haven't been there yet. And I feel like this has been the final push for me, the tool that's really gotten me into thinking differently. And so I think that competition, there's something to be said about it, that it really will work to change you. Another way that this game will change you is that you'll want to keep going. This helps create that snowball effect in your life, starting slow and then becoming bigger and bigger, that you're gonna wanna keep going. I'm still decluttering, and I actually have a lot more things that I want to get rid of, areas that I need to go through. I just gotta get that time and keep going, and I'm gonna get there. I think that this game does become a bit addicting even, which is a good thing. It's addicting to create the environment that you want to live in. So lastly, I will tell you that this game will just change you as a person. You're gonna start to see things in your home differently and realize that you are actually in control of your home, of your environment, that those items are not in control of you. If you're having difficulty getting rid of things and you're just holding on to these items for some reason you don't even know why, and you don't even know why you can't get to where you wanna be, that is not true. You are actually in control of your environment, control of your home. You're in control of how you want to see your home. Create a vision in your mind of what you would want your home to look like. Was there a hotel that you visited one time that created such peace for you? You just love the clear spaces. You love the ability to think and not be responsible for as many things. Was that peaceful and freeing for you? Well, you can create that in your home. I promise you, you can. You can do it. You're gonna start to change as a person and see your items as just items. I hope by the end of the challenge that you will be able to have more items that actually bring you a lot of joy, a home that brings you joy, and some peace. To be successful at this challenge is that what I did for myself was I asked myself, do I like these items, these specific items, you know, this item or that item or this one item, more than I like the idea of my dream home? And the answer was absolutely not. I like the idea of my home, even how it's becoming, more than I liked any of those items. And to be honest, I don't even remember half the things that I got rid of that I was holding on to. So ask yourself, is your dream home and your dream environment and your dreams of an anxious-free space and of a clear mind and of more time for the things that you love, like your family and activities that you want to do, is that more important than things you own? If so, you can let it go. I promise you, you can do it. You're capable of this. You can do it. I believe in you. Please comment below if you're going to do the challenge. And also, I'd love for you to leave a comment if there's one thing that's holding you back from being minimalist, from decluttering your life. Tell me what it is. I would love to comment back and maybe give you some tips or some motivation and let you know that you're not alone. If you're a Starbucks addict, please let me know I'm not alone. And please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. I plan to post weekly, different topics. I'm so glad that you guys joined me. I'm really excited to get to know you guys more. Let me know if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys next week.